In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Big Cartel website, a process so brilliantly simple that in just about 5 minutes you'll be equipped to give your online store a fresh new look. Whether you're an artist or a small business owner, personalizing your store can significantly elevate your brand's online presence. So let's dive right in. Firstly, hop over to free, easy online stores for artists and small businesses, also known as Big Cartel. This platform is the starting point for our journey. Once you're on the site, you'll find a login button prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on that. It's the gateway to entering your digital storefront. As you proceed, you'll encounter a field asking for your shop URL. This is essentially the address where your store lives on the internet. Fill in this detail to continue. Following this, the next logical step is to input your password. Security first, right? Enter your secret code to access the heart of your store, the Big Cartel dashboard. Now, you're in the control room. But before we start tweaking and tuning your website's look, navigate to the account area by clicking on the corresponding link. Here is where the real fun begins. Within the account section, you'll find an inviting option that reads, Go to Shop Designer. Giving this a click will bring you to the design settings of your site, the playground for your creativity. At this pivotal moment, your adventure into customization truly commences. Look out for a feature labeled Change Current Style. This is your first step in defining the visual narrative of your online storefront. It's a decision point on how your brand feels and looks to your visitors. Upon selecting your style, your attention should then shift towards the color palette. Big Cartel offers a range of options to ensure your site reflects the vibe you're aiming for. It's amazing how a simple adjustment in colors can breathe new life into your store. Now let's talk logos. Your logo is often the first introduction to your brand, so clicking on the logo image option allows you to upload a signature image. This small yet significant element can make your store instantly recognizable. Following this, the next enhancement feature is the hero image. This is typically a large banner image placed at the top of your website. It's prime real estate for showcasing your brand or highlighting a special promotion. Choose something that captures the essence of what you're offering. With the visuals steadily coming together, it's time to fine-tune how your products are displayed via the template settings. Big Cartel offers templates that you can customize to align with your branding, ensuring that your products shine. Additionally, don't overlook the power of social media in amplifying your store's reach. Click on social media links to integrate your store with platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. It's a straightforward way to connect with your community and drive traffic back to your site. Lastly, sprinkle some magic onto your site with Shop Sprinkles. This feature allows for adding unique touches that can make your store stand out. Whether it's subtle animations or custom icons, this is the place to infuse your personality into your store. Throughout this process, remember that customization is not only about aesthetics, but also functionality and usability. Take the time to preview your changes across different devices to ensure a seamless shopping experience for your customers. By following these steps, you're now well equipped to give your Big Cartel store a makeover that resonates with your unique brand identity. Personalizing your online storefront is an ongoing process, so feel empowered to experiment with different styles and elements as you grow. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Dive into the world of customization with confidence, and remember, your online store is the digital face of your brand. Make it as inviting and distinctive as you are.